Hi, welcome to Tech Vibe. Before we start, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more easy tech tips. Today, I'll show you how to send your location on Messenger using an Android phone in 2025. First, open the Messenger app. Choose the chat where you want to send your location. Make sure your app is updated to the latest version. Now, check if your phone's location is turned on. Swipe down and tap the location icon, or go to Settings and turn it on. Go back to Messenger and tap the plus sign or the four-dot icon next to the message box. Tap on Location from a menu. You'll see your current location on a map. To send it, tap Send this location. If you want to share your live location, tap Share Live Location. Live Location updates your movement for 15 minutes. If you don't see the location option, check the app's permissions. Go to Settings, Apps, Messenger Permissions, and allow location access. You can also try restarting the app or your phone. That's it. Open the chat, tap the plus icon, choose location, and send. If this video helped, give a thumbs up and subscribe to Tech Vibe. Thanks for watching.